You can get this from Amazon or eBay. Yeah. So I got a lot of gauge. So I will be starting out with the number 4 gauge. I'll start with the number 4 gauge. At all here, it's a wig. So that's the cut. This is the cut. So now everything should be even. So I just comb it forward to just get those ear off. So see here, everything even. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to relax it, and then before I relax it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the scissors and kind of get there are some right here at my ears. a bit clumsy right here. A bit clumsy. I have straight hair, bone straight hair. You see guys, right here, like how I know that I need to go in again with the scissors, you see right here, you see how right here is tall, like you can see it. I don't want, when I brush, you see when I brush down my hair, there is some that is resting on my ears. I don't want that, so I need to cut it off that it just fall in between my ears, so I don't want that. So after this I am going to dye it or rinse it with the black rinse, the Avatar rinse. I'm going to do it with the Avatar jet black rinse. So after this I am going to be dyeing it with this, the black Avatar rinse. This one I don't like I usually use the Viva in it, but I don't like how the Viva, like after washing it about 2 times, the Viva just come out like quick. But when I use the Avatar, it stays in my hair for a pretty long time. It's not permanent, but it stays for until I'm ready to rinse it again. I don't have any problem with that. So guys, now it is processed and I'm going to go and wash it out now. I'm going to be using my neutralizing shampoo right here. This is from Dark and Lovely. This is a Dark and Lovely neutralizing shampoo, and also I will be using my Pantene to wash it out and my TRESEMME conditioner. Alright, so I will be back. Alright, so yes guys, I'm back. So I am about to go and dye it. Yeah, so here it is. Everything. You guys see it's well processed. Yes. So everything is well processed. So that is about $3 US. About that. Don't quote me on that now. About $3 US. So this is my mold. So guys, I guess that's it. That's how I mold my Pixie for styling. How I mold my Pixie for styling. So I'll come back when everything is finished, right? Hey guys, I am back and this is the final look. This is the final look of my Pixie. So I had a little curl to it so that you guys can see the end product. And this is it. This is it. I am loving it. I am loving my Pixie so much. Do you love it? I love it. And I love how it looks. Yes, and I added a little makeup for you guys to see it if you're going on a date, what it would look like with your makeup well popping. Alright, so guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and also like and also subscribe for all my viewers. So click that notification bell so that you won't miss out on another video. Okay, please go and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.